Currently heading down to Atlantic City for the first time. Waiting for Mark to show up. And then pick up our buddy Evan and begin the journey together.
The journey so far.
Rained here already.
So how far are we from everything?
We're 19 minutes from my buddy.
Okay. What are we filming today, boys?
Oh yeah.
Get a new. Where's your gimbal thing?
What's going on? The DJI.
Yeah. So where are we going now?
To Southbury, which is like a little over 15 minutes away. It's on the way.
Okay.
Are we meeting another person?
Yeah, we're picking up a friend.
Another truck or?
No, he's hopping in.
F-150.
What's wrong?
Yeah, you're fine. It's strapped
Let's
in.
go. Let's get this showboat on the road.
Yeah. Hey, Eric. Alright guys, after what should have been 6-hour drive turned into 9 hours, we finally made it to Atlantic. Currently headed to a car wash and we got a cruise down with a 5th gen in front. Oh, and we picked up Evan, he's in the back seat.
Yeah, this is Evan. Hi, Evan.
How's it going?
So I'll catch you at the car wash. Alrighty guys, we made it to the Showboat Hotel finally. We got Mark's truck right here, my truck right there. A bunch of sick trucks all lined up right along here. And we'll probably go and grab some, first settle in, then grab some grub, and then probably walk around the city. guys, we finally made it to Atlantic City Truck Meet. We're currently waiting in line, as you can see, to get into VIP or Showfield parking. And then once we figure out where to park, we'll keep you guys updated.
Traffic stops. Dude, it was bad bumper to
Really,
bumper for like
GPS
2
was saying
hours.
like 2.5 hours, and then really an hour goes by. Oh, 2 hours and 29 minutes. Like, God damn it.
Yeah, that's rough.
So you can, the power fold, you can run to any of them, you said? You can tap right into the...
Yeah, so if you had, let's say, on your 3rd gen...
yeah, they have the electric adjustment.
Yeah, the glass.
So I can, with your guys' power fold, you can just wire it in.
When we're walking through the website, we can price out a set for you if you want. just left Atlantic City Truck Meet. I would say it was probably the best one that we've been to. Currently now taking sick pics with the trucks. Mine, and then you got Mark's over there with the ocean right in the background. Well, it's the next day. I'm pretty well burned to a crisp. Got a nice hat line going on. But Atlantic City was a huge success, I'd say. Had a ton of fun. Got to see some awesome builds. The only downside was filling up in New Jersey. I highly don't recommend it because truck ran like trash after filling up. Thought I was going to have to pull over and be towed. But we made it back. So probably the next one will be 603 diesels Friday. So other than that, catch you in the next video.